Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Please Donate on mobile. First, open your mobile browser and go to the Roblox website. Log into your account, then find the Create tab. This is where you will make the items you want to sell. It's a simple process to get started, ensuring your items are ready for your booth. Now let's create your items. You'll need to upload a unique image that represents what you're selling. Then, give your item a descriptive name and a brief explanation. Most importantly, set a fair price in Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% commission, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Once your items are created, launch the Please Donate game on your mobile device. Find an available, unclaimed booth in the game world. Simply walk up to it and claim it. All the game passes or developer products you made will automatically populate your booth, ready for players to purchase. When players buy your items, the Robux will appear as pending in your account. Roblox processes these transactions, and it usually takes between 3 and 7 days for the Robux to clear. Once cleared, you can use your earned Robux for various purchases or even convert them if you meet the DevX requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.